In today's video, first thing I'm going to do is pop open my trunk. And now I'm going to take off the roof drip molding starting from the rear. You will do a peeling motion, pulling the molding toward yourself. And here it is again from a different angle. Now that I'm done with the rear, time to work on the top. And as you can see, I'm just making my way toward the front. And this is the front of the vehicle. I started peeling from the bottom and worked my way up. And off goes the old molding. And here you can see the clips have broke off the top molding. The top clip should be on the molding like this. To take off the clip, you'll press the tab on the right and then the tab on the left and it should fall right off. To reinstall the clip, all you have to do is fit in the bottom groove and then push the two top tab and it'll click right on. Right here I'm just using a flathead screwdriver to take off the broken clip, but you should be using something plastic so you don't damage the paint. You could see a yellow tab here, another yellow tab here, then a pink tab, and last you have a green tab on the top. These 4 tabs will help hold down the front molding. On top of the vehicle, the clip of the molding will fit into this groove right here, another one here, then a third one here, and a fourth one here. Toward the back window, I have a gray clip and a second gray clip further down, and then a third clip toward the bottom. On the molding, I have this yellow clip and then another yellow clip right here, and if I move it further down, there's a third clip which is green, is right here. These 3 clips will hold the front molding onto the window. On the other side of the molding, I have 3 white clips. One is located right here, and then a second one over here, and a third one right here. For the clips at the rear, you can move them around just like this. And now it's time to put on the new piece. The first thing I'm going to do is slide the molding under this plastic piece and then hook the clip onto the windshield. Make sure to get the other clips too. And then firmly push the molding onto the 4 tab. On top there's these 4 clips, just push them right in. At the rear you also have these clips to hold onto the window, and also these tabs to hold on to the molding. Click the like button if you found this video useful, subscribe for future update, and again, thanks for watching.